Hello peeps, namaste. Welcome to RoyalTube. There is an excellent sale offer going on in Microsoft Store that is to get 3 months of Xbox Ultimate Pass for just $1, not even $1, exactly at 59 rupees in Indian price. So when you open a Microsoft Store, you can see that get 3 months of Ultimate for $1 on home screen, or you can just search Xbox Ultimate in search box. See, these are all the benefits we are getting with this pass at just 59 rupees for us. There are a lot of games that are included with this pass. If you go over to this games tab, you can see all the games that you can play with this pass after you buying. If you have Xbox and PC, you can play all of these games, but if you have only PC without an Xbox, you can play only the games that are available on PC. Before installing any game, just open that game and just check here if it is available on PC or Xbox, anything, whichever device you are using. If it is available on your device, you can install it and play. Like this, you will get an install button after buying the pass. So that's all. Let's see how to buy this pass very quickly for 59 rupees. Here you can see a buy button. Since I have already purchased, it is showing me extend. Click on the buy button and it will show a message like upgrade your membership, and click on continue. And here it will ask you an address to fill. Since I have already filled, it is not asking for me. Fill the address and after that add the payment. Visa, Master, American Express, credit or debit card you can use for this payment. After the payment will be successful and it will be automatically debited from your bank. So to cancel this auto debit process after 3 months, click on the manage. It will open your account settings in browser, and here you can manage all your subscriptions. See here you can see this Xbox subscription. I have activated today 20th December for 59 rupees. It will be expiring on 22nd March 2021. So click on this manage option, and here you can see this recurring billing. You need to turn this off, otherwise after 3 months it will deduct 700 from your bank. So make sure that you will turn off this feature. After that, in payment option, you can also remove this credit or debit card that you have used for this payment. Here you can see the card which you have used for this 59 rupees payment. Here you will have a remove button, so you can remove the card also. This is valid for only 3 months, not more than that, and at least we can enjoy this all benefits for 3 months at 60 rupees at 59 rupees. So currently I am downloading two games, Forza Horizon 4 and Gears of War. I have paused them for a while and again resuming them. Good thing is you can pause whenever you want and it will resume back from where they left. Don't worry, it will just show like it is downloading from beginning, but wait for 30-40 seconds, it will download from where it left. So this is a 53 GB game, so let's see when it will complete downloading.
75 years later.
So it nearly took 5 hours for me because of my slow internet. So finally it got downloaded, and let's see whether it's working or not. It is pinned to start. Yeah, this is our game. Let's open this. So that's all. After buying the pass, you can download the games that all are included with this pass. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to RoyalTube.
For a time, the humans of Serra knew the illusion of peace. Until